Air ducts can get clogged from a variety of different things. You should have a maintenance on your HVAC system at least once a year. Some programs can put you on a 2 or 3 year span, but to be proactive and ensure that you have the highest quality of indoor air, you want to make sure you at least do once a year. And so by ensuring you have clean ducts, not only will your AC system have a longer lifespan, it actually will improve the indoor air quality of the home, which is good for both the family and guests that come into it. So signs that you should look for when you want to get your duct cleaned. In the summertime, if you notice that your system isn't running as cold, typically it can be related to the ducts being dirty and then the systems being overrun. Going into the wintertime, when you turn your heat on, you'll get a bad smell coming out on your first turn on. And sometimes, you can have other issues that are catastrophic to the system itself. Call Allied Restoration to ensure that your ducts are getting thoroughly assessed and cleaned. We're getting into an era where health is most important, and it starts with your home.